Hey guys, today we're showing you how to do this. We're going to play. My console is like um, PSP. Yeah, this is my PSP console, but here, but on my Android is PPSS PP. Yeah, we're going to. I get my PPS's PP game with, yeah. So I have another games in console for PSP. So, but later I'm gonna tell you. So, we're going to download this. We're going to load this game. Okay, sorry for that. Fix this my RAM because they're lacking. Nice. Okay, so if you don't have a console for PSP, try this one. Here, you can get this game. All your games you can play just here for Pac-Man, and here Pac-Man World Rally. So if you click this game, but this one you don't click this, who will be one for this console, or the PPSSPP, or the yeah. So we're included if you don't know, but yeah. I think this is so lagging. It's nothing. Okay. So this is my console, this PSP, and another games. What do you like? What do you like games? Tell me. Or yeah. Okay, I get my game. Who won? Who won? Okay, so yeah. So who won? When should be going to load successfully. So who won? But yeah, who won for the same? Okay, so we're going to continue this one. Okay, so now this is their 4R. This one. Who win on this one? PPS's PP or the PSP console? So first we're going to try this one. So there's circuit, quick races, battle. So we didn't under here for winning. We got launcher open. Surely. Are you sure for last to the last part? And then let's see. And procedure. Okay. Who is the fastest loading ever? So this is mass loading. So very okay. Now, so the next now this one. Okay. So now we're going to who will fastest in this last part. And then do for difficulty next. And then next. Okay, now we're going to rate. Who fastest? Okay. Who the fastest of loading? Okay, so here we go for. Here is Tidy. Tidy. This is the post. We're seeing the restart option. And then just. Oh, cool. This is it. And then let's go out. And there's it. Okay. Oh, the fastest is here. Oh, winner is this TPSSPP, but I don't know who is winning. But yeah, thanks for watching. So see you next time. Goodbye, guys.